Hi there and welcome to the channel, and thank you very much for coming out and joining us on this video. We hope you have all had a nice festive period, and we wish you all the best for 2022. Get that right? Because I said 2020 earlier. We've came out today to spend a little bit of time chilling in the woods. We haven't been out for a while. Back in August, sadly, we lost our Macy, our dog, which if anyone has lost a dog, they know how devastating that can be. And we just lost a little bit of luster, grieving process. Just basically couldn't be arsed going out and doing anything really. But we're out today, and we thought we'd introduce a new member of the team. Bramble, here you go. Come, here. Yeah, what's this? Come. Come. This way. Sit. I don't know if you can see her. The camera picking her up. We'll just put the camera down a touch. Bramble, there you go. Come. This is Bramble, and she's an absolute live wire. A 6-month-old Cocker Spaniel pup. She's absolutely amazing. And she came to us. It's a bit of a strange story how she came to be with us, but we'll go into that another time. And as I say, we've came out today to spend some time chilling in the woods. We're going to get the firebox going, aren't we?
Yeah.
We're going to cook something to eat.
Food.
We're going to make a brew, and we're going to just enjoy some time out. So we'll crack on with that then.
Yeah.
High five. There, we've collected ourselves a little bit of firewood, ready to make a brew and cook some food. We've got Bramble having a whale of a time, enjoying running around the woodland. As you can imagine, a 6-month-old pup. This is all new to her, and she's absolutely loving it. Hi girl, this way. Good girl. Here she is. I wish I had half that amount of energy. Right, we're going to crack on and get this firebox lit there. I'm ready for a cup, are you? I've got you some water. Let's get you a drink, eh? Should we get you a drink? Good girl. Oh, you're giving it a bit of that?
I'm giving it a bit of that.
You're shaking the sausages. Oh no, they're cooking. Can you have a look?
Yep. Okay.
Yeah, that's quite kind of nice, don't they? Yes. Check them out. I think there is as well. Let's check on these bad boys there. Oh, they're cooking nice, aren't they?
Yeah.
Sizzling away lovely. They're sizzling away nice. I've got my brew here. Enjoy a little drink of that. Bramble's enjoying herself, and we're just enjoying being out in the woods. Claire's just sat there with a brew. Chilling.
As I do.
As you do. Come away. Here we go, moment of truth. Let's see what this bad boy's like. Spot on. You can't beat.
If you're on a diet.
You can't beat bacon, sausages, cooked in the woods. Just delicious. I'm just checking this out. How's your sandwich? Nice. Well, Bramble's found the foil that the bacon was wrapped, so we're gonna enjoy these and go and get that off Bramble. There we go.
sandwich was delicious, wasn't it, Gary?
You enjoy it? Yeah, it was
Yeah.
gorgeous. Yeah, the sandwiches were absolutely delicious. We're just enjoying one more brew while the firebox burns out and cools down, and then we're going to pack up and head off home. It's been nice coming out and chilling out, hasn't
Yeah,
it?
it's lovely, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. We thought we'd just come out and chill. It's nice to have the opportunity to do so, and we thought we'd introduce you to Bramble. She's like we said earlier, she's a good girl, aren't you? She's a 6-month-old Cocker Spaniel, a working cocker, and she's absolutely full of energy. So we plan on bringing her out on a lot more adventures, and we plan on getting out and creating more content now, don't we?
Yeah.
New year, new beginning, and,
Yeah,
and all that.
definitely.
But yeah, we've enjoyed coming out. We'll leave the video just now because I'm just waffling on.
And it's pretty cold.
You cold? Yeah, Claire's cold. But
Pretty
yeah,
cold.
thanks for joining us.
Cheers.
We'll take care. No, you take care, and we'll see you on. We'll see you on the next
And
one.
we'll take care.
Bye for now.
Bye.